So this is basically what a microwave blocking panel looks like. It's very easy to assemble. It's just two pieces of wood, one with a smooth finish, one with rigidity, a piece of lead sheet in between. And lead sheet is used for, it's a very good soundproofing material, and it's used to block all kinds of microwaves, including radar and X-ray. It's used to block X-ray in X-ray rooms, similar to lead aprons, medical lead aprons. So if you believe you've been targeted by organized crime who wants to assassinate you through cancer-causing microwaves, several radar guns, powerful telecommunication equipment from point A to point B, and decided to aim those at you all day, this is the type of thing you'd build to shield yourself with. Or if somebody misplaced a telecommunication satellite, if their aim is off a little bit, or if you're worried about spy satellites seeing what's on your computer monitor, or if you're simply worried about the microwave technology used to see through walls, or people who want to see what's going on in your bedroom, this is what you'd build. And you could rest assured that nobody would see what's going on in your bedroom. So, if you're worried about somebody trying to assassinate you through cancer-causing microwaves, if you're the victim of criminal harassment, if somebody's trying to push you to homelessness through fear of this type of technology used for criminal harassment, or if you're simply paranoid and delusional, tinfoil hats don't work very well. Lead sheet is what the industry uses to block X-rays and radar. So, if you're stressed and worried due to threats, or any kind of threats linked to microwaves and cancer, organized crime, people trying to intimidate you or induce fear, this would help you sleep better at night. So the next video will deal more with the components needed and required to detect these in the first place if anybody has those aimed at you or anywhere around you.